Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the throttle body on a Ford Focus 3rd generation from 2012 up. This one is the 2.0 engine and this is the throttle body right here. We got that Ford Focus, it's hit a little bit in the front, and as you can see he has a cracked intake. So what we need to do now, we're going to replace the intake and we're going to show you how to replace the throttle body in case you have a problem with it. You need to loosen that hose clamp there and the one right here with a flathead screwdriver. You need to push right here in and pull up to release that vacuum hose. Okay, and you just move it a little bit out of the way. And now there is one more hose on the back right here. Okay, you just pull it to the side and pull out. Okay, and this hose will come out, that vacuum hose. And now you can help a little bit with the screwdriver to remove the boot right here, so that way you don't have to remove the air box. Okay, and you pull it up, and then once you loosen the other bracket on the bottom, you'll be able to pull the hose out of there. Make sure that they're loose all the way, otherwise they'll not be able to come out. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but you'll be able to take it out. Okay, you move it back and forth a little bit, just careful not to break it then. Okay, it comes out of there, that's it. Now it's the time to inspect it for cracks and leaks, because over time they tend to crack. It's a weak spot, and if it has a leak, you can have a high idle or even the engine not starting at all. Now the throttle body, as you can see, it's right here, and it has 4 bolts that we need to remove with the 8mm socket and extension right here. Okay, we got the 4 bolts loose, and now all we got to do is just pull them out. Okay, right there. And once you pull them out, we just have the wires now, but we can do that when we lift it up. Okay, like that. Usually they're stuck because of the gasket. And now the wire, what we need to do in order to remove it, you need to press the red thing back, and now you need to press and pull at the same time. Okay, like that. And now this is, guys, the throttle body. If you need to remove it or replace it, that's how you do it. It's good to clean them once in a while. This one has only 40,000 miles or so, and it's still pretty clean. So thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to... Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.